Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what do ants prefer to eat bread for breakfast. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants prefer to eat croissants for breakfast, but they also consider other types of food rich in natural sugars like plant sap, oil, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, dead insects, etc. depending on their location and availability of food type. There is a distinction between meals in human society as they need bread for breakfast and proper meals for lunch and dinner, but ants have also adjusted their dietary habits with them. These insects eat bread as they get exposed to breadcrumbs in the morning when children drop crumbs on the floor and table. Ants can eat a variety of food types without any noticeable differentiation of food types, as they need every nutrition to ensure their survival. They have to keep their stomach full of food so that body cells can break down nutrients and extract energy when they feel exhausted after continuous walking. However, their favorite breakfast food is croissant, as this flaky buttery pastry contains bulk nutrients for these tiny insects. Almost 100 grams of this pastry can provide more than 400 calories, as it contains 40 to 45 grams of carbohydrates, 50 grams of fats, and 7 to 8 grams of proteins. In addition, these pastries provide small quantities of essential vitamins, iron, calcium, and magnesium, enabling their cells to produce plenty of energy. Furthermore, they like to feed on bread, butter, jams, and other breakfast items that are usually found on the dining table or fallen on the floor or countertop. Every sweet food item that is rich in carbohydrates attracts them, as they have to perform challenging activities all day and need energy-rich food to feed their body cells. Ants need nutrients from all categories as their bodies cannot survive on a single food source. Their food preferences vary according to environmental conditions or colony requirements. Ants like to eat the seeds of plants as they are a rich source of protein and provide a good content of amino acids to their diet. They can eat lentils, seeds, and nuts to obtain sufficient proteins. This protein content is not stored in their bodies for long, but such food types are transferred down to the colony members when larvae are at the growth stage. Moreover, they suffer from developmental issues or abnormal growth when they do not have enough protein to build their body muscles. So they consume seeds stored in one of the nest chambers by breaking their outer shells. In addition, they usually eat aerosomes that are packed with a large amount of nutrients. Most commonly, carbohydrates are part of their daily dietary intake as they need plenty of energy for better performance. These complex carbohydrates break into simpler molecules. These simple glucose molecules are converted into energy when cells metabolize stored food and produce energy molecules to improve body functioning. Workers have to perform heavy-duty tasks compared to queens, males, and nursing members, as they have to navigate territory or even walk several miles away from nest for food. They are at risk of death due to starvation when their body cells do not have nutrients to produce energy. Accordingly, the sweet secretions released by aphids add natural sugars to their diet. Most species rely on honeydew for nutrition by developing mutualistic association with aphids, as they tend to use aphids for growth and protect themselves from attacks. In the same way, plant exudates and flower nectar are also packed with energy-rich sugars that can help meet their body requirements. Fats are essential for insects, as these nutrients keep their bodies protected and work like a layer of insulation on their bodies that can help avoid death at freezing temperatures. It helps prevent desiccation because a waxy layer on their exoskeleton retains moisture within their bodies and avoids unnecessary water loss during the hot days of summer. In addition, it plays a role in communication as their bodies release chemicals to send a message and use receptors to decode them due to lack of speech and hearing. Accordingly, they add a small portion of fats and oils to their diets through different food sources like nuts and seeds. Thanks for watching the video.